Here's how to add a LUT on the A7S III in seconds, or minutes. First thing you want to do is make sure your camera is up to date to the latest firmware. 4.0 or beyond will be fine. Next, find your LUT of choice. We're using the standard S-Log to Rec. 709 conversion. You want to copy this, and we're going to paste it into your LUT folder on your SD card. This folder can be found in the private folder. Follow the path through Sony, Pro, and then there's a folder called LUT. Paste it in there, and we're good to go. Now, pop the SD card back into your camera, open up your menu settings, go to Exposure/Color, Color and Tone, Manage User LUTs, Import, and then select your LUT. Your LUT is now loaded onto your camera, and you can head over to the main menu, turn LUTs on, click on where it says S-Log 3, and scroll down to your new LUT. And there we are. Now your LUT can be previewed while shooting without baking it into your footage. If this helped you, follow along for more tips and tricks.